Hi guys, my name is Ashish.
और मेरा नाम Bianca है, and this is Mr. Kian. And together we are the
Sharma family. Okay, this is an update video.
Yes, from the previous one. In case
You missed it?
yeah,
Watch it.
we spent Rakhi at home, isolated, because Mr. Kian at that time on the 17th of August he tested positive. Today he's been 2 weeks post-COVID.
Yeah.
And touch wood, he is back to normal.
Thank God, with the grace of God and all of your blessings and blessing of obviously the God and our Guru and everyone. So we are thankful about this for sure. We are thankful for this thing. But the thing is, with the new update is Kian hopefully is negative because we did not get him tested. It was not required. We both are positive now.
To give a quick update, here in the UAE, you basically have to isolate for 10 days. You get a certificate that you've completed the isolation and it's not required to do the PCR test afterwards. But we anyways wanted to do the PCR test just to give an update for our company
and to make sure that we are not spreading it to someone else because always we have been responsible and we will always be responsible for this thing. So we got tested.
Yeah, and that was on the 27th, but a few days before that, I think it was like approximately 3-4 days before that, we had like burning sensation in the nose, which we thought is normal because like you guys know in the previous video, we were constantly wearing the mask around Kian, so we didn't think anything about it. We just probably thought, it's because constantly, literally 24/7, sleeping with a mask, everything. So we thought that's why we were feeling like it.
Yes.
He's now going through a phase where he keeps trying to say the alphabet. So we just had the burning sensation in the nose and we thought nothing about it. And then 2 days later, Ashish was like, I think I lost my smell. I'm like, what?
Literally, I was like smelling ajwain. I don't know what you say in English. I have no idea.
Ajwain, hing, Vicks. There's like
many things, and I was not able to smell at all. That was the first time I actually thought that I'm positive. And
that was what, on the 25th.
25th.
Yeah, and we said, okay, let's go for the test 26th. And then of course had to wait 24 hours. And then on the 27th morning, I lost my smell. So we like, right.
We know it.
We knew it already that we're positive. And a couple of hours later, we got the result to say that unfortunately we are positive.
So obviously went for the test, and then this time it was the most horrible. I actually wanted to take a video of how the PCR test happened because I didn't know if it was going to be the funny one, but it did happen. Obviously we were serious and nervous and everything. So this guy comes for Bianca to do the PCR test.
Very quick out.
And to me, he came and he's like screwing something in my nose, like literally
3-4 seconds, and I'm like, and my reaction, I just looked at him like, what the hell?
That was horrible. So we are still positive. I believe we are still positive because I do have a little bit of symptoms, like literally a little bit of symptoms, like I've got a bit of itchy throat and difficulty in breathing, but it's not, we can't call it difficulty, it's just like when you come from the running.
Yeah, it's like a little bit out of breath.
Out of breath.
We both got vaccinated. We got vaccinated back in for me, my first dose was in March, second dose was in April. Yours was, both of the doses was back in April. So, but yeah, like for me, the symptoms, like the first few days I had, it almost feels like my nose is symptoms is just, first few days was just really bad burning sensation. Feels congested, but it's not, if that makes sense. And now the only thing I'm struggling with is like burning in my throat and chest, and that's pretty much it. You know, that beginning stage, as if it feels like you're gonna get a cold, but it's not developing any further than that.
And I think it's all the mind as well, which actually bothers you. You know, you know that there is a possibility of getting infected, and then you start creating stories in your mind that, you know, this and that, and you know, I think I'm positive and I think I have got problems or something like that. It happened with me also at the time. I was in contact with someone who tested positive, but I came to know literally weeks after that the person was positive. Then only I started having a feeling that, you know, I think I've got an itchy throat and I think my nose is running and all these things. So it's all in the mind, I think, as well. However, I don't mean to say that COVID is not dangerous.
Of course it is.
It
like,
is dangerous. It should be taken care.
Yeah.
So how did we try to save ourselves? That was the thing. As soon as he started having the symptoms, we started taking precautions for our immunity
to the next level.
To the next level, which was mask was also one of the things which was in that.
Sanitizing every time after we touch Kian, sanitize wherever Kian touched, if we touched his mouth. Washing our hands, I don't know how many times. Our hands was dry, started peeling. We literally did everything, you name it. But you know, you guys know, COVID is highly, highly, highly contagious. And we actually thought, you know, we are doing so much, maybe we will slide through it and not get it. But you see, we still did.
It did happen. So, what did we do? First of all, we enjoyed our time. We literally lived it like happy.
It's like that way. 10 days, fighting to the next level, yeah. 10 days quarantine while Kian was positive. Now 10 days quarantine while we are positive. So it's 20 days we are spending together with Kian, which we would have probably never have gotten together.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it's driving me nuts. Like,
me nuts.
I need to walk outside. There's still a week left. No, 6 days left of our quarantine.
Yeah. But it's fine. We are glad that we got an opportunity to spend time together.
And that we are healthy and we're staying strong, that Kian is fine. That's the most important thing.
So the things which we have done together for like as a cure, as a precaution, for the nose, so the smell can come back is I've told many people who were positive earlier and who had lost their smell to roast the orange, which I also saw somewhere else. It's not my own invention.
Yes.
So when you roast it and you eat it hot, so in 2-3 days it does come back. It worked for all of them. We've had like almost like 3 pieces till now, and it didn't really work at all for us. Maybe we are in the beginning of Corona. That's why.
I hope not.
So it hasn't worked, but we will try to have it more and more. Let's see if it works. Had the tea. Okay. Also, we had the tea. We are having the tea every day.
Yeah, which he's making.
Which I'm making with a lot of herbs. Herbs in the sense, all the masalas and everything.
Tell them what is in it.
Ginger, not garlic, ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, and
black
peppers, and
There's
what
one more
else?
thing.
Clove.
Yeah.
Boiling it for almost an hour and having it, which Bianca likes a lot.
Ginger, I don't like ginger. I can't handle it, but I've got used to it since he's added jaggery, which jaggery I don't like, but surprisingly, I forced myself and I started to like it now. One more thing I want to say, and we already, or I don't know if it was me or him that said it earlier in this video, is that of course you guys can see we are open about this, talking, laughing. We do take COVID serious, don't get us wrong. It's just we are trying to stay positive. We're trying to, at the end of the day, if you're positive, your body can automatically beat it and say that it cannot take over. So we are that where we're staying positive, happy to subside the fact that we have it, instead of it taking us over. No, that's not the correct way of saying it, but to control us. Like, we don't want COVID to control us. Of course, we have to control COVID.
It's all about staying happy and being positive in your thoughts, not only in COVID.
Yeah, and
it helps.
We are sharing this just because maybe someone is watching it that's also got it and don't know what to do. So we're just giving our feedback of what we struggled with, or the symptoms we had, what we did about it. And another thing we did is we steamed.
Oh yeah, regular basis, every day, steaming at least for 15 minutes.
Yeah, especially before going to bed.
It helped a lot.
It
helped a lot. Well, this is it from our side. This was the only update which we've got. We are fine. Keep praying for us and for the rest of the world who's been suffering as well. And we literally hope that this thing actually
will come to an end.
Vanishes away.
You are very vocal today. He's enjoying that his parents are here. Yeah. So
See you soon. Bye.
Say bye bye. Bye. Hi. Not hi. Bye.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye bye. Bye bye.
1, 2, 3. Bye bye.